Hey everybody, just making another video here for you. This time we're going to be talking about importing class information from one class to another. And you're going to want to do this kind of stuff when you have a new course that hasn't been updated and you want to go back to a previous course you taught or a master course that has the most up-to-date material and you want to import that into the class you're about to teach. It's very simple, and you can do it with anything that you have instructor access to. So as long as you can get into the master or the course that you want to pull the stuff from, it's very simple. So here I've created a fake class that doesn't have anything in it right now, and that's the first thing you're going to want to do. You want to make sure that if you're importing an entire course into another course, you want to get rid of everything else that's already there, because otherwise you're going to have duplicates of things and it's going to be confusing. So the first thing you'd want to do is delete anything that's there. So let's go ahead and get rid of this news forum. So you just go to edit next to the item you want to get rid of and go to delete and then click yes. And then it's gone. So now you're going to want to scroll down till you get to the administration section, and there's an import link. Click on that. And then what you're going to see is a list of classes that you have instructor level access to. Now, since I'm in an administrative account, we literally see everything here. So I'm just going to choose, say, the ACC 210 master and click continue. If you wanted to search for something, you just type it in here. And one thing that's important is that masters have no spaces in them. So ACC 210 is going to give you just the master. However, if you wanted to look at specific iterations of that course that have been taught, you want to make sure that there's a dash between them. So you look for ACC-210 and you should see several different versions of it. So anyway, once you've chosen a version that you want to import, say this one from an online class from last fall, you click continue. And on the next page, you're going to see some early settings. You don't have to worry about the personalized learning designer settings. And backup settings is just what you're pulling from the course. So just click next. And this is going to give you control over what you are taking in from the class you're importing from. You can choose just to take a certain section or just to take a certain item. So if you only wanted to take, week 2 on, you could uncheck general in week 1 and it's only going to pull in week 2 and on. If you wanted to not take in these 2 chapters here, you can uncheck the boxes there. But let's just go ahead and take everything. So we scroll to the bottom of the page after reviewing all that, and we're going to go ahead and click on next. And once you do that, you should see the exact same page, just kind of reviewing all the choices you've made, and those check marks mean you're bringing it in and you're not bringing in this PLD data, so it's got the X's next to it. So go ahead and click Perform Import, and you should see a progress bar, which takes you through the whole process. And that can take anywhere from like 5 seconds to a minute, so depending on how many items are in the course. But now you see my phone is ringing, and you've got the big green bar there, and your import is complete. And when you go back to the course itself, you'll see everything that's been pulled in. And that's it.